What's good, YouTube? We're back at it. Another video. Yeah. It's been a week since I bought the car. Mine rain drops. It was raining last night. Yeah, I'm just gonna take you guys through my thoughts I've been having on the car. How's it been treating me? And yeah, it's been a week now. So it's on Sunday today. Bought it on Saturday last week. So yeah, it's about 6-8 days. So yeah, let me take you guys around and then see you what tell you what my thoughts have been on this car, what I'm planning to do with it, and all that. Yeah, gang. So yeah, here's the car, guys. Here's the car. Yeah, nothing much too drastic to complain about. Been enjoying my car. I can say that like when I was driving it, yeah, I must say that the wheels and the shocks and everything proper, nice. Engine and so forth, very good. Not a lot of power, but then hey, we in South Africa, we don't need that much power. Taking you guys around it. Just mind, I washed the car yesterday, but then it was raining, so yeah, that was all a waste. Let me jump in and give you guys a cold start. Yes, if you guys see that. Yeah, guys, it's a bit older, so it's kind of cold. It was raining last night, so it almost died on me. I had to rev it up a bit. Yeah, this is the interior. Yo, it's dying. You see now? Yeah, I think that's enough for now. Let me take a look at the interior. This is how I've been looking from the driver's side. Yeah, need to get this replaced. Yeah, guys, and all cars are looking nice. Take a look at the back. We are clean, right? We are clean. Just need to wash this car a little bit, you know. I think this would be a better picture of the dashboard. Nice. Yeah, guys. Some small little things that need to be fixed on this car, like the handbrakes. The car stops on a hill, but then when I park it over here, kind of rolls back. So yeah, if you take a look at the engine, give me a second. Yeah, guys, there you have it. The engine bay, quite dirty, I must say, but yeah, we'll get that cleaned up sometimes. Hose is still intact. kind of dirty. Yeah, guys, 1.3 liter red car. You know, some few little things here and there. If you take a look at the boot that I might want to fix, gonna get this car lowered. We're gonna get it lowered. We're gonna have one of the first modes. Just a second, guys. One of the first things we gotta do in this car, if you take a look, propping it up on a stick at the moment, we gotta fix this bad boy right here. You guys know how to fix this thing. Yeah, drop a comment down below. I think you gotta remove the clip over here. Not sure. Yeah, we will take a look at that some other time. Need to replace the gas rod. This partial shelf, was thinking of buying a new one, but then nah, might just replace it, clean it maybe. Let's see what we think about it. The wheels are good. It's gonna take some height out of here, like a couple of inches. I was thinking about cutting the springs, but then I decided against that. I'm gonna put some drop plates on here and all that. Yeah, sorry for the interruption there. Just talking to my pups. We're gonna get the lights also fixed on this thing. I want some halo lights on this. So yeah, guys, if you like the video, guys, yeah, comment down below if you want to see some things done. Just need to clean the car a bit all around, you know. Yeah, so that's my 1 week update on you guys enjoying the car. Yeah. So yeah, guys, that's my 1 week update. Been really enjoying the car, I must say. Small little things I need to fix, but then in general, like, yeah, I'm happy, guys. I'm happy. Been reaching out to some sponsors, maybe one or two for some equipment, but most of all, I'm gonna be checking in with you guys maybe like around 2 weeks from now. So if you want to see more content on this car, drop a like down below, comment and subscribe to see some more videos on this bay. Yeah, that's about it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch us for more later, next week maybe. Gang, baby.